So hi guys, it's Soup from Soup Can. My last video got so many likes that I decided to make another sweet, which are chocolate chip mint cookies. So I either need a mixer or a stand mixer, a hand mixer, and an extra bowl with a spoon. And you'll need 2 spoons and a pan. You'll need another bowl, a mixer or a electric hand mixer, and a pan that you will need to put your cookies on. So what you're going to put in your mixer is, the recipe calls for 1/2 cup of sugar, but you're going to split that up into 1/4. So you'll add 1/4 of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 3 egg whites. And you are going to whisk those together until when you lift up your whisk, they're stiff peaks. And so in your other bowl, what you're going to do is you're going to add your other 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And you're going to mix that together until it's all combined. So once that's all combined, you're going to wait till these are nice and whisked together to make it. And you're going to check on it every once in a while to see if it's done, so you just don't get it overbeat, which would make it too hard. You're going to check it every once in a while just to make sure that it doesn't get overbeaten. So now my egg whites and sugar and cream of tartar are all mixed together. You're going to mix in your cocoa powder, cornstarch, and other 1/4 cup of sugar into that mixture. You're just going to put it in there. You don't need to worry about mixing it. And you're also going to add in your chocolate chips and peppermint extract while this is mixing. So you want it on a slower setting, just so it's better. And you can speed it up if you want. You don't have to have it so slow, but you would kind of want it to be slower when you mix in your stuff. So while that is mixing, you're going to get your pan ready, which I already have mine ready. You're just going to have that. You're going to have your pan ready and your 2 spoons to put it in. You either can use a reusable mat, which I'm using, or parchment paper or cooking spray. So once your batter is all the way mixed, you want to take your spoons, and you want to make sure there's only 24. Otherwise, if you don't have 24 or less than 24, it might mess with the point range. But if you have 24, it is 0 points per cookie. And you take off the whisk. You can, or if you don't want to, you don't have to. And you're just going to make sure you get 24 so you don't have anything points-wise that will mess them up. And I'm trying to fill it up on 1 pan, but you can use 2 pans if you want. And they're drop cookies, so they don't flatten out. They rise more. Instead of like sugar cookies, you cut those out and flatten them, which they rise too, but these are drop cookies. So when your cookies come out of the oven, they should look something like this. And you'll let them cool off for a few minutes before you put them on a cooling rack. And when you will put them on the cooling rack, you'll just wait till they cool off and put them into a container so you can keep them. This has been Soup from Soup Can. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Goodbye.